Hello everyone, welcome back to Grandma Says for Two. This is my second Walmart haul I did today, which is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. This was I call this my household because it's no groceries, no food. I picked up 8 items and I was trying to finish out my weekend bonus and add to my other bonus, February bonus. So I did manage to finish my weekend bonus. So with my last trip of my groceries. So now this will go towards my February bonus. After this, I think I need 4 more offers to complete the February bonus. So I probably will do that between now and Sunday before the bonus expires on February 1st. But now let's jump into it. These were some easy peasy simple deals. I have couple that's repeat and a couple that's new for me. So let me get my receipt so I can read off. Repeat deal is a Scotties for me. My Scotties is 86 cents a piece and I bought 2, so that made it $1.72. I made sure I picked at least one of the triple soft because there's a double rebate back off of that one. I use a 75 cent off of 2 for the Scotties. That dropped it down to 97 cents. I got back for buying the triple soft $1 off of 2 and then 50 cents off of 2. So that dropped my total to free plus a 53-cent Moneymaker. I picked up the Dove baby wipes. Those were the Dove baby wipes were $2.97, no coupon, but Ibotta gave you back 75 cents. So the final price for that one was $2.22. The Neutrogena, I picked up 2 of those, no coupons on that one. They were $2.67. Ibotta was giving you back $2, so the final price on that is 67 cents a bar. The Gillette in the travel section, it has to be the clear. That was $1.97, no coupon on that one, but Ibotta was giving you back $1.50, so the final price was 47 cents. Renuzit is a new one for me. It's the Renuzit kit. It was $2.97. I have the 50 cent off coupon that I printed from coupons.com, so that dropped my price down to $2.47. Then Ibotta was giving you back $1. My final price on the Renuzit was $1.47. The CLR is a repeat deal for me. It's $3.24, no coupon. Ibotta was giving you back 2 rebates on that one, $1 and $1.50. Total of $2.50. Final price is 74 cents for the CLR. So after my coupons, I paid a total of $16.96. My tax was 91 cents. I paid with my Ibotta PayPal card $17.87. So nothing came out of my grocery funds. Yay! I just keep rolling that Ibotta money over. What I got back from Ibotta was $11.35. I did scan my receipt to fetch and got 25 points. So my final total would be $5.61 or 70 cents per item. Not too bad, not too bad. Like I said, I'm just trying to reach my bonuses now. I'm getting closer and closer, so I went ahead and did some of these deals. Well guys, that's all I have for you today. Happy shopping, happy savings. See you next time. Bye bye.